Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Breaking news. The Hunts Bay police have confirmed the arrest of Imanie Noah Linder, the suspect in the brutal murder of 14-year-old Price Johnson. Linder was taken into custody today, Sunday, February 9, 2025, just 3 days after the crime was committed at Palm Grove Court on February 6. Authorities say Linder's parents handed him over to the police. Though further details on the circumstances of his arrest have not yet been released, the Hunts Bay police are currently conducting an intense investigation into the case, seeking to establish the full details of the crime and any potential accomplice. Price Johnson, a 9th grade student at Haile Selassie High School, was at home when Linder forced his way into the house and committed the horrific act before fleeing the scene. The incident, as we know, have sent shockwave through the community and social media now, and this prompted a widespread outrage and call for justice. Police had previously urged the public to assist in locating Linder, while also appealing for an end to the circulation of explicit images of the young victim. Now, with the suspect now in custody, the next steps, which include formal charges, interrogation, and a possible court appearance in the coming days. As more information emerge, we will be updating you guys now, and authorities are asking anyone with additional information to come forward and assist in this investigation. So as I said, this is breaking news. Share it to your friends or anyone who are interested in this information, and they have been crying for justice for this little girl. So thank you for watching the video. Again, share it to your friend, your father, your uncle, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.